Jai Shri Gurudev. I am your Praveen sir, and today we are discussing about the concept called as the sampling and sampling distribution. In the previous class, we are discussing about the first formula problems, and now we are discussing about second formula problems, that is sample size of proportion. Or in this second type or second method of sampling problems, we don't have the standard deviation. The standard deviation is not given in the problems. Then only we are applying this sample size proportion second formula, called it as n n equals z square pq divided by e square. So here, what is meant by this formula variables or these items? In this, where the first one is n equals is nothing but sample size. N indicates the sample size. After this, Z. The next one is Z. What is meant by Z? Z, we have already known that Z is nothing but desired degree of precision or the confidence level. Either it may be 95% or it may be 99% or it may be 96%. So anything else they clearly given in the problem. So after this, what is meant by P? P is nothing but probability in favor of the event. Probability in favor of the event is nothing but so activity or the experiment. So what is the activity or experiment? In favor that activity or the experiment, that is called it as event. If it is favorable to the event, so that is what we called as P. After this, Q. What is meant by Q? Q is nothing but it is a 1 minus P or probability not in favor of the event. ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅನ್ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1. So after this, E. What is meant by E is nothing but it is a sampling error. E is nothing but it is a sampling error, or sometimes it is the difference between the estimate from the sample and the parameter. So that is what we called as E. E is nothing but sampling error or difference between the estimate from the sample, that is the parameter or the static. So here, this is about the explanation regarding the formula. Afterwards, we have one problem, that is the continuation number. I will given this. Continuation number is given. Here, what is the problem? So that is the fifth problem. A firm wishes to estimate with an error of not more than 0.03 and a level of confidence of 95%, the proportion of customers who prefer its brand of cooking oil. Sales reports indicate that about 0.2 of all the customers prefer the firm's brand. What is the required sample size if required confidence level is 99%? So that is the confidence level, confidence coefficient they are given. For the 95%, the confidence coefficient is 1.96. For 99%, the confidence level is 2.58. So this is about the confident level. See in this problem, once again, a firm wishes to estimate with an error of not more than 0.03. This is what we called as E. It is a sampling error. So E is nothing but 0.03. and the 95% of the proportion of customers who prefer its brand of cooking oil. So that is nothing but so favorable to the event. What is that favorable to the event here? So 95% people, it is the favorable event here. So the favorable event about the 0.2. 0.2 is nothing but it is a sales report indicate that the all the customers prefer the firm brand, that is the 0.2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.2 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಆ ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೈಜ್? Question is, what is the required sample size if required sample confident level is 99%? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 95% ಗೆ once calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. After that 99% again we are going to calculate. So that is the two confidence levels is given in this problem. Once again I tell this problem, it is very easy problem, and now we have the calculation of sample size or sample proportion. What is the formula here? N equals Z square PQ. PQ is nothing but P into Q E square. So here N we don't know, that is the sample size. Z we know that first confidence level. What is the first confidence level? That is the 95% is the first confidence level. And what is the second confidence level? 99% is the second confidence level. Here in this formula, N we don't know, Z is nothing but first we have to be calculated 95%. There is a coefficient is 1.96, and after this the coefficient is 99% is 2.58, and favorable event. What's a favorable event? The P is nothing but 0.2. This is the favorable to the event. And after this E, what's the E is nothing but? E is nothing but they are given in the first, a firm wishes to estimate with an error. This is what we call as sampling error. Sampling error. And here we got all the values in the formula but Q. So what is meant by Q? Q is nothing but 1 minus P. What is the P value here? 0.2. When based on the formula 1 minus P is nothing but 1 minus 0.2. When we are deduct this, we got 0.8 is nothing but that is the Q value. That is the value of Q. After this, first we are going to calculate the first confident level, that is the 95% of the confidence level. So what's the formula once again? N equals Z square PQ divided by E square. So what is the value of Z? So Z value is 1.96. First we are going to calculating here 95% confidence level, 1.96 whole square. And what is the P value? P value is 0.2. And what is the Q value? 0.8. That is we are calculating here 0.8. Q value is 0.8. And the E value is 0.03 whole square. So here, so 1.96 when we are calculate it, so 1.96 whole square means how much we get? 3.8416. This is the value regarding 1.96, and then we are multiplying with these two values, 0.2 into 0.8, how much we get? 0.16. This is about the answer when we are multiplying 0.2 into 0.8. Here, when we are multiplying with 0.03, 0.03 into 0.03, we get 0.009. That's the answer. When we are dividing this, so how much we get when we are multiplying with 3.846 into 3.8416 into 0.16. So how much we get? 0.614656. So this is the answer we are getting. And when we are dividing this value, how much we get? 682.9511. So therefore, the answer for the 95% confidence level, therefore, the answer for 95% of confidence level is 683. 683. And second, we are going to calculate at the confidence level of 99%. 99% we are going to calculate here. In this 99%, we have again the same formula. Again the same formula. N equals Z square PQ divided by E square. Only we are changing the confidence level, remaining all are same. What is the confidence level here? 99%, 2.58 whole square. So here remaining all is the same. When we are square it, 2.58 into 2.58, we get 6.6564. Then when we are multiplying with the 0.2 into 0.8, we get 0.16. When we are square this 0.03, we get 0.009. So when we are multiplying 6.6564 into 0.16, how much we get? That is the 1.065024. So when we are divide this value with the 0.009, we get the n value is 1183.36. Therefore, n value is 1083. 1083. Therefore, the required sample is 683 and 1183. See the question they are asked. What is that question? When they are changing the confidence level. See, this is the question. They tells us, what is the question here in the problem? What is the required sample size if required confidence level is changed is 99%? Andre 95% ಗಿಂತ 99% ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So therefore, when the required confidence level is increases from 95% to 99%, the sample size will be increases from 683 to 1183. This is about the problem and solution. Problem and solution. After this, we have the next problem and most important problem. That is the sixth problem. See the sixth problem. Here the problem is a shopping store is interested in estimating the proportion of households possessing the store privilege membership card. Previous studies have shown that 59% of the household had a, sorry, had a store credit card at 95% confidence level with a tolerable error is 0.05. Determine the sample size required. Here in this problem, we only considering here in this problem, we only considering 95%. They did not ask the 99%. A shopping store is interested in estimating the proportion of households. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಶಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 95% ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ. So that's the information they are given. So in this problem, they given 95% of confidence level. So in problem ali 95% confidence level kottidane. Therefore formula is same. Formula is same. N equals Z square PQ divided by E square. So here, what is the P value they are given? That is the favorable. Privileged studies have shown that 59% of household has a credit card. See, this information is related to the favorable to the event. Andre 59% studies ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಪ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಫೇವರಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ this P has been converted into decimals. Why? Because in the percentage we are unable to calculate. How it will be calculated means P, they given the percentages. Percentage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. 59 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100. 100 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನೇ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್, ಅವನೇ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 59% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ 59 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಫೇವರಬಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0.59. So when this was 0.59 means how the Q will be calculated? This is the question. Q ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so Q equals 1 minus P. Q equals 1 minus P, where they are given 1 minus P ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 0.59 ಇದೆ. Therefore 1 minus 0.59 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 0.1 minus 0.59, we get 0.41. 0.41. So this is the Q value. So Q equals 0.41. So all the required items we have. Then the N value is very easy to find out. The Z is nothing but 1.96, that is the 95% confidence level. And the P is nothing but favorable to the event, 0.59. And Q is nothing but 1 minus P. 1 minus P, it is unfavorable to the event. And the E is nothing but 0.05 whole square. When we are multiplying or removing this square, the value of 1.96 is 1.96 into 1.96, we get 3.8416. Then when we are multiplying with the 0.59 into 0.41, how much we get, 0.2419. And after this, so Z value, sorry, E value 0.05 whole square. 0.05 into 0.05, we get 0.025. Therefore, n equals 0.9292 divided by 0.0025. So therefore, we get the n value is 371. N value is 371. It will be round up with the value called it as 372. 372 only. So the sample size, the required sample size is 372. Required sample size is 372. These two problems is very important in the second formula. Afterwards, you have the homework problems. That is the first one is calculate the sample size. This is the homework problem. It was sent through WhatsApp. Here, calculate sample size for only one confidence level they are given 95% confidence level, that is a 1.96, and favorable event, that is the P they are given, and E they are given. This is first homework problem for you and it is very easy. And second homework problem is calculate N or the sample size, that is the 99% of the precision or confidence level both are same, and the favorable event P 2.58 and the E sampling error is 0.03. This two is very easy problems and it is homework for you.